Want to create a professional-looking website for free? In today's video, I'll show you how to set up your very own website using Blogger.com, no coding required. Blogger.com is a free platform by Google that allows you to create a website or blog without needing any coding skills. It's perfect for beginners and even advanced users who want a quick setup. Plus, it's entirely free. The best part is that Blogger is backed by Google, so you get a reliable platform with great features right out of the box. So let's get started with the first step, creating your Blogger account. First things first, let's create your Blogger account. Head over to Blogger.com and you'll see this big button that says Create Your Blog. Go ahead and click that. Since Blogger is a Google service, you'll need a Google account to sign in. If you already have a Gmail account, you're good to go. Just enter your email and password. Once you're logged in, you're officially on your way to creating your website. But before we jump into the design, we need to set up some basic details about your blog. Now that you're signed in, it's time to set up your blog. The first thing Blogger will ask you for is the name of your blog. This will be the title that appears at the top of your site and what visitors will recognize you by, so choose something catchy and relevant to your content. Next, you'll need to create a unique URL for your blog. This is the web address where people can find your site. Try to make it simple and memorable. Blogger will let you know if the URL you want is available, or if you need to try something else. Finally, Blogger will ask you to pick a theme. This is the overall design and layout of your site. Don't worry if you're not sure which one to choose. You can always change it later. For now, pick a theme that best fits the style of your content. And there you have it. You've just created your own website for free using Blogger.com. If you found this video helpful, make sure to hit that like button, subscribe to the channel, and ring the notification bell so you don't miss any future tutorials. In our next video, I'll show you the best settings to help your new website rank higher on search engines, so stay tuned for that.